First met Sue 10 years ago in the Martello. I was having a few beverages and we went for a late one down to the Martello, and in we walked, and there was a girl, she's here today, Lisa, sitting on the bar, and Brendan says to me, come on over, we chat to her, she looks like a bit of crack. So we went over and we asked her, are you here with friends? Are you here? I'm here with my cousin Susan and her niece Laura. Yeah. She came round the corner, Susan did, and I looked at her and I said, my God. And I turned to Brendan and I said, that's the woman I'm going to marry. And he says, I think you need to put that point down. But what I did was I started chatting to her, and I, made sure the niece had a drink, brownie points, looked after her, and then the rest is history.
I give you my heart, my love, you see, you're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need. Every piece of meant to be. The best of me has always been you. I just wanna hear you say the words I do. We'll write the story, you see it, the movies. We'll have a strong love, the whole world dreams of.
Sean, my one and only son, I am today very proud of you for your dedication and tenacity which you inherited from your late mother, who adored you from the moment she laid eyes on you. She would have loved the ceremony and the glamour and all the fuss today. We miss you each and every day, and we will never be apart, because for those who love with the heart and soul, there's no such thing as separation.
Johnny boy! Get in there, Bob. Crash the thing.
Hope it's automatic.
Never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see, you're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need.
I, Susan, take you, Sean, as my husband, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, all the days of our lives.
I'm speechless at how incredible you looked. When I turned to watch you walk up the aisle, it was tough. I had to pinch myself. I can't believe I get to spend the rest of my life with you. I'm very lucky. Thank you for saying yes.
Sean, we've waited so long for this day and faced some challenges in getting here, and I still can't believe that today we finally get to become husband and wife. I've never met someone quite like you. Honest, loyal, sweet, handsome, caring and supportive, but who also challenges me, who's not afraid to disagree with me or who doesn't let me away with everything, because ultimately you always want the best for me.
occasions when families have good days and sometimes great days. Today is a great day for the Cabra family. We are welcoming Susan into our family. I think I actually met Susan before she met Sean. When she worked as a comely serving wench in Duff's on the main street. She had a winning smile and a twinkle in her eye.